Hey guys, it's Jacqie Crafty. I am here with the second week for this mini kit pad class. What is She's Crafty calling it? Mini class using your 6x8 pads. So this is the second ladle I'm going to do with my pink paisley 5th and Monaco. And I chose this background paper, and I think I'm going to do these pictures of my son's birthday. I went through already and kind of picked out which ones were lacking pink so that I wasn't going to be adding too much pink to his birthday photos. And then this is the sketch that she has us using today for this little mini class she's putting on for free. I will have her link down below, as well as all the people who are actually playing along with her regularly in doing these sketches. So this is a good one to use these 6x8 pads or 6x6 pads and stretch them by cheating the system. I kind of did that on my last week one too, just because of how I needed them to be aligned. So yeah, let's have fun and let's get started. All right, you guys, apparently I thought I hit record and I did not. So I stretched my 6x8 pad by cutting this piece in half and then stretching across and trimming off the excess, and just then chunking strips for these other ones. And then this one as well, there's a floral on the other end, so it was hidden. I didn't need it to be super floral. And then instead of doing a banner with the title above it, I decided to turn my title into the banner. I might have to glue these down. And then I just thought it needed something else, so I put a couple word stickers in each picture and then a little cluster of hearts and 2 sequins, just to add something else to it. So that's what I did. I hope you were enjoying this mini class by She's Crafty. I think it's a great idea. That was 2 layouts using that 6x8 pad, and I chunked out probably 10 pages, so that's pretty good. I do have scraps though, but that's okay. So keep following along. Every Sunday we're posting videos. She's posting her video about the sketch and everything, and so keep following along if you haven't been, if you would like to join in. So thanks you guys for watching. I'm sorry I totally forgot to hit record, or I thought I did and I didn't, but either way, have a good day. See you next time. Bye.